Alright, so you wouldn't stop asking me about that box that I found, so I decided to make a video for you about where it is, and the camera as well. I can show you the spots I found them. So, I'm in the place I found it right now. And I'm not going to say it, obviously, but I'll just cut the video, show you around. Alright, so I'm in now, and got the flashlight. I can show you where I found both the box and the camera. So the box, in the video it was shown right here, but it wasn't there because whoever was filming moved it. They found it later on around here, behind this rock. As for the camera, it's a waterproof camera, in case you're wondering. Fujifilm XP. It's a blue one. I found that one around, it was in this water. There's water, even though it doesn't show up well. See? Several inches deep. I don't want to say where I am. It's on YouTube. But all the same, this isn't like, yeah. Apart from that, I haven't managed to find anything else. I have been searching regularly, and I've been looking for the places I've seen otherwise on the camera. I've been to another one, but that's about it. Apart from that, there's nothing really else to say right now. I've translated the papers, so it's kind of hard, because it doesn't show up very well in the film. But the two papers that were included, I managed to translate. Can't remember exactly what they said right now because I don't have them with me, but then I'll probably update at home. Apart from that, nothing else really to say. It's foggy in here. If I didn't know better, I'd say this place is haunted, but it's not. Maybe. I'll update you in the future about what I find, and if I find the places in the film. I've been looking at them a little bit more, and they're getting a little bit more. I think it's more than just someone exploring. There's definitely a story to them, and it's a creepy story. I can tell you that much. I haven't been able to decipher it, but it gives me goosebumps. I'll tell you some more in the future as I find it. So I'm approaching the end. Just turn off my camera now.